Hi boys and girls, on Tuesday we took a summative test on habitats as well as plants and animal adaptations. Today we will begin learning about animal habitats and what happens when your habitat changes. We will discuss reasons why an animal can or cannot thrive when their habitat changes. Your learning target is, I can identify the features of animals that help them to thrive in the different Georgia habitats. Your vocabulary words are adaptation, external features, survive, organism, camouflage, hibernation, carnivorous, protection, migrate, migration, mimicry, and manipulated. Take a look at the phenomenon. What do you notice? What do you wonder? What animal is this? What habitat do you think it lives in? Take a moment to jot down your thoughts. Pause the video while you jot down your thoughts. When you are done jotting down your thoughts about the phenomena, you will watch a video about iguanas. You will think about the following questions. Why are the iguanas in Florida? How did they get there? What makes them fall out of the trees? How cold is it? How dangerous are the lizards? Do the lizards cause problems in the habitat? Pause the video and think about these questions for a moment. After the video and the questions, you will read an article titled, A New Fish Species Found in Georgia. After reading the article, you will use the engaging template to make a claim about Georgia habitats that would make the best environment for the fish, thinking about how the fish might survive or thrive in its habitat. Don't forget to provide evidence from the article and prior knowledge of the various Georgia habitats to make your claim. Have fun, guys. Don't forget to post on the discussion board. I'll look forward to your answers.